Hi guys, I'm Murtaza Karimi and let's go to the video. If you want to use After Effects animations in your Flutter app, you can use a Lottie package. Lottie is a good package to use After Effects animations in your Flutter app. To use it, you should be add packaging in your pubspec.yaml file and use it in main.dart file or other Dart files. You can create a new app like this with a Lottie package. You see its animation is working, and I click on the back, and when I click, it's reverse and forward animation. To create that, I use a Lottie .network. You can get these animations from the lottifiles.com in the discover menu, free ready to use animations, and use the animations from here and copy that URL. To copy URL, you should be sign up in this site. Okay, I copied a new Lottie file address and set the height to this, and create an unloaded argument in here to set it not played when loaded. Okay, and we should be add a controller to customize forward and reverse time and other things. Okay, to create a controller for Lottie animations, we should be extend a state from a ticker provider's state mixin, and I create an animation controller as a underscore controller variable, and in the init state function I initialize it, and underscore controller equals to animation controller, and vsync is this, and you can set the duration for animation and set the reverse duration for animation. Okay, and in the dispose function I dispose the controller, and to use it I create a new elevated button like this, and in the unpressed argument I write this controller that's reverse, and create a size box to add space in here, and wrap this widget with a gesture detector and material to create a clickable animation, clickable icon animation, and in the on tap I check if controller is completed, I reverse it, and if not, controller dot forward. Okay, if you want to reverse animation from specific time, you can use a from argument in here, and if you write this code, you see this app. Okay, I click on this icon and it's working. I hope you enjoy from this video. If you like this video, you can like this video, and if you want to see more content from my channel, you can subscribe and click on the bell and set it to all videos. Bye.